What is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are back on my favorite website, and if you're new here, that website is Stake. I'm really excited for today's video and actually the series of videos coming out this week, and it's actually a fun one. Something we've never really done. It's not really a strategy like I typically do. I just thought to maybe mix it up a little bit this week and do something fun. And I did it a little bit off camera and it seemed to work pretty good, and so I thought, well, we're gonna do it on camera now and see how it works out for us. So the premise or the concept of this strategy is very, very simple. We're going to try to hit every bullseye on the darts game every single day. So it'll all make sense in a little bit. I do want to tell you guys, if you're new to Stake or stake.us, don't forget to sign up and use my code FAST. Also, go to your email within the first 24 hours and claim your 25 Stake cash bonus and 250,000 gold coins, as well as that gives you access to all the monthly, weekly, and daily bonuses that you get when you sign up using my code FAST. So I just want to mention that before we start. We're starting with around $2,500, and whatever profit we lock in today, we're going to keep that. So our balance is going to be essentially the same for the next 4 videos. It's just it's just like a progression of videos, right? It's four-part series where essentially, hopefully we make profit today. The next day we go up. So today all our bets are going to be $1. Tomorrow they're all going to be $2. The day after that they're all going to be $4, and the day after that they're going to be $8. And hopefully we get a bullseye on every single bet level and on every single difficulty level. It'll all make sense here in a second. Anyway, let's jump into Stake and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. This new game called Darts. It's a really fun game, so hopefully we don't lose it all, but let's just see how today starts. Anyway, let's get into it. These first few levels, I'm not gonna, probably when we get to the hard and expert difficulty level, I'll probably speed it up a little bit just because it could take a while, but these ones I'll just, chit chat with you guys a little bit about it. So far, no bullseye, and we are losing. Okay, we got a bullseye, and we're in profit. So now what we're going to do, we're not changing our wager or nothing. All we're doing is we're changing difficulty level to medium, and now we're going to try to hit bullseye on medium difficulty level. Hopefully it happens fast for us. I'll speed up this portion just so it's not so boring. But yeah, guys, I'm hoping that we get these pretty quickly. It's just super fun to try to do it this way. And I tried it off camera a little bit. It actually surprisingly works out quite well. Hopefully it works that well on camera, which we already know what happens when I turn on the camera. But if you're new, I'll tell you guys that every time I turn on the camera, some of the strategies off camera work great. As soon as I turn on the camera, they don't go exactly as planned. So I'm going to speed this up a little bit. Instant, just so it goes a little bit faster. Let's see. Come on, bullseye. If we hit bullseye right now, we actually would not be at a profit, which is crazy. Oh, there it is. We hit it. As you guys can see, we just hit it there. Now we're going to go to hard difficulty level and hopefully hit it. Oh, we got it right there. As you guys can see, we got it. We're actually $30 in profit. And now for the hardest one, this is going to be the expert one. We're going to do that right now, and we're going to hit that 500x bullseye. Let's go for it. Let's go. I'm just holding the space bar. Ooh, we're still at a profit. I'm gonna try not to miss it for you guys. Gotta stay laser focused here. If you're new to Stake and want to try these strategies, go ahead and hit on settings, offers, and for the welcome offer, put in the code FAST. This will instantly activate monthly and weekly rewards, as well as enter you into Stake's VIP program and get you a bonus of $25 Stake cash with 250,000 gold coins. After you verify your email, you can claim your bonus. Now let's jump back into the video. Wow, the money goes quick. Did we hit it? I should probably not do that. No, we didn't hit it because we would be at a major profit if we hit it. I wonder how much it'll cost to hit it on this bet level. So curious how quick this could happen. It's wild, guys. Yeah, like typically, you guys already know I do strategies, but if you're new, you don't know. But yeah, I like to show the strategies and stuff. I just love this game so much. It's so fun. And so, like, surprisingly, that bullseye hits more often than you would think. So I thought this would be a fun little challenge, just see how much we would end up with if we film a video every day trying to hit a bullseye on every difficulty level. The only thing we're changing day by day is we're increasing our bet amount, doubling our bet amount. So that's the only thing we're changing. But in reality, on if we are not making profit and we hit the bullseye, that's not going to be good. So we need to hit that bullseye sooner, or else we're not going to be at a profit. Look at that. So I guess this is kind of a good way to wager some money too in the process. So even if we were to hit bullseye right now, guys, we would still not be at a profit. So maybe this might be a bad challenge. We'll see. But yeah, if we hit bullseye right now, we'd still not be at a profit, which is not great. Yeah, we'd still be down 100 something. That's insane, guys. We're almost down $1,000. We hit it. If you guys missed that, we did hit it. How much are we down? We're down about $470. Well, that's cool. At least we hit it, right? So that's all that matters. Almost missed it too. But anyway, we hit it. Whew. Well, tomorrow, it's a new day. We're going to try with the $2 and see what happens. Thanks again so much for watching, guys. That was fun. Unfortunately, it didn't work out for us. We're not in a profit. But guess what? If you want to see how this challenge ends, go check out tomorrow's video. Subscribe to the channel so you can see how it ends because, well, it doesn't end. Actually, tomorrow's just phase 2, where I'm going to be doing a $2 wager and trying to hit every multiplier once again, except we're using a $2 wager. So that's going to be the plan for tomorrow's video. I'm hoping to make some fat profit or until we lose our whole balance. Hopefully we don't lose our whole balance. That would be very devastating, but we'll see. If you want to see that video where I go on the $2 wager and do the exact same thing I did in this video, then subscribe to the channel so you can see it. Also, I want to tell you guys, if you're new to Stake or stake.us, don't forget to sign up. Use my code FAST. Claim your 25 stake cash and 250,000 gold coins in your email. Thanks again so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Also, check out our Discord in the description. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.